Namaskar, I am Advocate Saurabh Kunal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we discuss issues of legal and financial education. So today we are going to discuss about section 120 of the Indian Penal Code. Section 120 of the Indian Penal Code is about concealment of a criminal design where the offense, if committed, will be punished with imprisonment. So if somebody voluntarily conceals or facilitates or misleads such criminal design, what would be the punishment, what would be the consequences? So today we will come to know about this under the provision of section 120 of the Indian Penal Code. But before that, I want to request all of you that if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell button to get notification of all the updates. Friends, I also request you to please visit to our YouTube channel page and check out the playlist. This playlist has various informative and knowledgeable videos, so please check it out. These playlists are on different issues like legal drafting, CRPC, IPC and many other important issues, so please check it out. Now coming back to the topic, if someone conceals the criminal design of an offense where the imprisonment for such an offense is jail term. So if somebody facilitates, conceals or misleads the criminal design of an offense which is punishable with imprisonment, then what is the punishment? What would be the consequences? So it is given under section 120 of the Indian Penal Code. So before analyzing it further, let's read what is the provision under the BEAR Act, under the section 120 of the BEAR Act. So section 120 of the BEAR Act says concealing design to commit offense punishable with imprisonment. Whoever intending to facilitate or knowing it to be likely that he will thereby facilitate the commission of an offense punishable with imprisonment voluntarily conceals by any act or illegal omission the existence of a design to commit such offense or make any representation which he knows to be false respecting such a design. So if somebody misleads, conceals or facilitates such criminal design will be punished, and the punishment differs. So there are two conditions. First is if the offense is committed, and second is if the offense is not committed. So the quantum of punishment depends on these two things. If the punishment is if the offense is committed or the offense is not committed. So if the offense is committed, let's read what is the provision under the BEAR Act. If offense be committed, if offense be not committed, shall, if the offense be committed, be punished with imprisonment of a description provided for the offense for a term which may extend to 1/4. So in case where the offense is committed, then the punishment, the term of imprisonment for such a person who conceals the criminal design will be 1/4 of the term for which the offense is committed. And if the offense is not committed, if the offense be not committed to 1/8 of the longest term of such imprisonment or with such fine as is provided for the offense or with both. So if the offense is not committed, then 1/8 of the term of imprisonment which is given for that offense or fine or both. So this is all about section 120 of the Indian Penal Code. Section 120 is the complementary section to 118, because section 118 deals with concealment of criminal design in case where the imprisonment is death sentence or life imprisonment. But here concealment of a criminal design, section 120 deals only with the concealment of a criminal design where the punishment is imprisonment. So there is a vast difference. So here the punishment, the quantum of punishment is also differs, but it is a complementary to section 118. 118 and 120 makes a complete whole for every kind of offenses, whether it is punishable with death sentence, life imprisonment or any kind of imprisonment or fine. So this is all about section 120 of the Indian Penal Code. If you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends and colleagues. I will be coming again with more videos like this. Till then, take care. Namaskar.